All right, well, it's that time. We are starting to tear this thing down. We'll go get a pallet. We can load everything up on it and take it back up to my dad. Robert was busy today, had some other things to do, so I enlisted my boy Pete here, army friend of mine, to help me. Well, prior army, like me, obviously. To help me with some of the heavier parts. So we are going to tear this thing down and start getting it all loaded up to go to North Carolina tomorrow. All right. Oh man, today keeps getting away from me. We got this thing torn down into all its components. So now I'm going to use one of the pallets we got. I'm going to try and get everything fitted up on a pallet so that I can just load it on the trailer and it'll keep everything a little bit safer. Might take 2 pallets. We'll see. So we're going to do some measuring and get started packing this thing up. Not too shabby. Everything's nice and supported. Be able to pick it up with the tractor, unload it with the tractor. Still a few more steps, because what we're going to do is we're going to ratchet straps and ratchet strap the individual components to the pallet. And then that way we're going to be able to attach the pallet, or ratchet strap the pallet to the trailer. So I think it's going to be nice and secure. The beam, I'm going to go get one of my 2x6s to set the beam on. Just make sure it doesn't get bumped or scuffed up. I got some right over there actually. And ratchet strap. Getting close. I've still got pack. Still got to double, triple check the truck and the trailer. Load up a few other odds and ends for the weekend. Got to go to my buddy Gilbert's shop and weld and powder coat some boxes for my electric experience controller business. Hopefully should be done around 11:30, 12 tonight. And then my plan is getting on the road by about 5:36 in the morning. Hopefully no later then, so that we can get to Atlanta before it gets bad on a Friday. About an hour and a half south of Atlanta. So if I don't hit Atlanta before 7, I don't feel like going through Atlanta with my truck and the trailer. But the end is in sight. All right, I got it. I got all the blocks in here to hold all the pieces that are important up off the ground. It's solid. It ain't going nowhere. So now all I got to do is make sure and use this 4x6 we got over here. I'm gonna add extra length or height to this pallet, so it'll go up over the those fender flares. That way I can just set her down and with the forks, and then pick it up with the forks. So get to that, and then I'll be able to get started on all the other stuff. And there we go. Now I can strap this pallet down to the trailer. Since all the stuff's strapped to the pallet, that's gonna be nice and sturdy, and not gonna have any issues with it. Definitely not going anywhere. Only thing left now is to get the beam on here and slid up on a 2x6 and strap down. And then the sawmill at least will be ready to go. And then I've got to finish checking all the trailer tires, truck oil, yada yada yada, all the normal stuff before a trip. Yeah, I probably need clothes too. Yeah, that'd probably be good. I'll do it in 5 minutes. Throw some clothes in the bag real quick. Oh, and copper. I gotta make sure and pack copper some food. And pack copper. Don't want to forget copper. Copper, what are you after? Can you tell Copper's a hound dog? He has a nose on him. I have no idea what he's going after, but he's going after it. And there we go. There's the beam. Now I just gotta not forget the water jug, the battery, my chainsaw, helmets. I've already got toolbox. Other stuff that asked me to bring. My clothes, Copper, myself. Go finish welding and powder coating some boxes. I'll finish up a sign for Robert and a sign for myself. Sorry, I pointed the camera away there. Thinking about everything. Whew. It's been a day. Somehow this dude's still going. He passed out a little while ago. Kind of scared me because I couldn't find him for a minute. And he's the same color as the sawdust. And he was just sleeping in a pile of sawdust, so I didn't see him. And he was so asleep, I couldn't hear him. So we'll check in. I've got to go to town. I buy some more ratchet straps for the beam here, a few other things, and we will give you guys a holler. You can tell I'm tired. I will give you guys an update when we're packed and get on the road. Quite a day. All right, everybody, I got the Copper. I've got the sawmill, and it looks so much different without the mill here. So let's get up to North Carolina and then get back here so we can get all this cleaned up and organized and start using some of this wood we've been working so hard on cutting. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you guys next time. All right, everybody. Well, I made it home with the sawmill in one piece. So ended that journey, and now I'm gonna go and we're gonna unload the mill and get it set up for Papa Hugh to start using again. So let's move it over to the other side over here and get her unloaded.